question for you. Have you ever been reciting affirmations that you did not believe, yet everything that you had asked for still showed up at your door? Yeah? Me neither. Let's fix that. Let's start off with the affirmation that you are having trouble believing. You know the one I'm talking about, the one that you stay away from because it has you feeling a little shaky. By the end of this video, you will develop a technique that will help you place all of that doubt and insecurity and self-limiting beliefs exactly where they best served you. In the garbage. So go on, dive deep, and let's tackle that affirmation that has you feeling like this. I am living my dream life. No, I've seen it. I'm sorry. No, okay, do your little thing. Yeah, it's cute. No, I'm done. I'm out. You always do this. No, bye. Where are you going? That ends today. Let's get to it. Now, the first mistake I made was assuming that all I had to do was recite these pretty little affirmations and then my whole world was just gonna magically change. Even though every time I said them, I had a little voice inside that was like, I don't know, sis. Despite all that, day after day, I still recited these affirmations down to a T. Yet, nothing happened. I still felt stuck, I was still frustrated, my circumstances didn't change, and after a while, I just threw them out altogether because, quite frankly, they started to sound stupid. Yeah, I said it, they sound dumb. That is, until I stumbled upon this game changer. I realized I was overlooking a very common aspect of affirmations, the subconscious mind. So we have both the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. I like to think of the conscious mind to be that boring, stuffy adult that's just like, oh, whatever's in front of me is what it is and can't change it. Well, I don't know why I'm giving it this voice, but that's how I picture my conscious mind. But then your subconscious mind is more of that childlike, adventurous. Your subconscious mind is responsible for your imagination. Your subconscious mind is actually really powerful because whatever you tell it, it will go and do. It will make sure it manifests in your life. But if that's the case, if it's that easy, why don't affirmations work? Well, here's the catch. Your subconscious mind does believe what you tell it, but a lot of the times we don't realize we're actually telling our subconscious mind something that is contradictory of what we're saying. So we'll use this as an example. Let's just say that your affirmation is, I am the first multimillionaire in my family. But when you say that, you're filled with doubt, your conscious mind goes to play and says, well, baby, you got $42 in your account. You broke. So when that happens and you're saying these affirmations and you're feeling something that's contradictory of what you're saying, your subconscious mind is being told what you're feeling, not what you're saying. Okay, well, how do I believe what I'm saying? How do I feel what I'm saying? And that is where I was stuck for a very, very long time, until this fateful day. All right, IG, let's start these affirmations for the day. But if you're having issues believing your affirmations, I want you to try this very simple thing. Instead of just reciting the affirmations, take them and make them into I am successful. But you're not, though. We've been through this. All right. Let me do it the way that they said it. What if I am successful? No. What if my purpose in life and my job align? What if I am successful? And it was at that moment that I realized I was starting to believe. But the work wasn't done yet. Take that affirmation that you're having trouble believing in, right? And make it a what if. How does that feel? What does that feel like? Really explore that, really dive into that and play around with that. Because now that you're making it a what if, you are ushering in your subconscious mind to start believing what you're feeling, because now you're exploring in that reality. You're playing around in that reality. It helps you manifest creating that reality. Keep in mind that doubt may rear its ugly head, but you really have to fight against it and say, no. What if I am successful? Well, what if I find that dream job? What if I find that perfect partner? Tell me all about how wonderful this feels now. Tell me all about your dreams and that affirmation that you have just tackled and that is going to come to pass now that you're starting to believe it. Tell me all about it. You know I love to hear it. So, as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, stay empowered, and stay beautiful.